Rainy weather vocabulary. Rain, drops of water from clouds. We had heavy rain yesterday. I think it's starting to rain. Drizzle, rain in very small light drops. Tomorrow will be cloudy with occasional drizzle. It's drizzling. Shower, a short period of rain. There will be showers of rain. Rain showers are expected at the end of the week. Downpour, a lot of rain in a short time. We should get home. This rain is turning into a downpour. Pour, to have heavy rain. It was sunny a moment ago, but now it's pouring. Pouring. I was standing in the pouring rain for an hour waiting for my bus. Thunder. The sudden loud noise from the sky during a storm. There was thunder. There was a clap of thunder. The sky grew dark and it started to thunder. Lightning. A flash of bright light in the sky. That tree was struck by lightning yesterday. Thunderstorm, a rainstorm with thunder and lightning. There is a thunderstorm almost every night. Hail, small hard balls of ice that fall from the sky like rain. The hail has damaged cars that were outside. It's hailing, come inside. Puddle, a small pool of water on the ground from rain. While I was walking, I stepped in a big puddle, and now my left foot is wet. Fog, very small drops of water close to the land or sea. Heavy fog has made driving dangerous. It took several hours for the fog to lift. Foggy, covered with fog. It was a bit foggy, but the weather was perfect.